So I get asked all the time on how hard is it to make rugs. So I thought, what better way to show you guys than teach my 9-year-old here how to make a rug. All right, so the first thing that anybody needs when they're making a rug, they need a hat. You good? All right. Okay, we got our frame positions on where we want it here, and we got our cloth. Next thing we gotta do is we gotta put the cloth on here, right? And the cloth has to be super tight. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna kind of lay it out there and just make it kind of loose. And then when it's kind of on there, that's when we'll stretch it to make it super tight.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
All right. So we picked out our design rider on the thing. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab our projector now and get to work. All right, now that we projected the image on here, we're gonna go ahead and draw it out. Remember, flip the image, okay? All right, let's go ahead and draw. Okay, before we begin, there's a couple things you need to know about this thing, okay? There's no zones on where you touch. Never put your fingers on here. You got that? Come here a little bit. Never put your fingers here. Your hand goes here and here alone. Keep your fingers away from this, okay? When you turn it on, it moves quick, okay? All right. So, and remember on the frame, there's pokies right here. So you could be working and all of a sudden you touch that and you're gonna scrape your arm. Okay, so you gotta be careful. All right, I don't want you loading the machine. Okay, let me load it because there's scissors here. I don't want you cutting until you learn, okay? So right now we're gonna work on some straight lines, okay? So let me load it up. All right, so you're standing on the yarn. That's probably not the best place to stand.
Like I was doing it again in a room, so.
Yeah. Okay, so the machine's gonna kind of walk itself. What you're gonna do is you're gonna go in here and you're gonna put pressure on here. The pressure is not here. This is just for guidance and control, okay? You're gonna push in and then the machine's gonna kind of walk itself when you pull the trigger. What I want you to do is I want you just pulse the trigger. Do you know what I mean by pulse the trigger?
I just hold it.
Now hold it. What am I doing?
Just do that.
Pulsing, right? That's what you're gonna do. Okay, let me load it and we'll get started. See how I turn the machine off? As soon as you pull the machine away from the cloth, turn it off, okay?
Or just do it before you pull it away.
I'm gonna be behind you and I'm gonna make sure you're doing this right, okay? Do not pull the trigger until I tell you when, okay? All right. Make sure the yarn's not tangled. All right, so your feeding system's over here to your left. All right. Okay, what I want you to do is go ahead and grab right here, okay? This is your on-off switch, okay? Let's turn it, okay, push it all the way in the fabric. There you go, that's why I step on the bottom. Okay, I'm gonna turn it on. The machine, okay, just wait. The machine's gonna walk itself. So just pulse the trigger a few times, but put pressure from back here. Okay, go ahead. Let go. There you go. Good, stop, now pull it out. Turn the machine off. Look at that, you did it, you stitched it up. See, right here's where you kind of stopped for a second. All right, that's okay. All right, so let me draw you a couple lines and I want you to practice on those lines by yourself. Pulse the machine, do not just let it go wild, okay? I turn the machine down, so I want you to practice on those lines real quick. Yeah, turn it on. There you go. Push, push, push. Stop. Good. Okay. Push, push, stop. We ended up practicing quite a bit. I did some curves, some Z's, and also some circles for rider.
Hard to see the line with the thing.
What do you mean?
Like it's hard to see the line with this in the way and the scissors.
Yeah, you just gotta look around. Okay.
It just kills your
All right, so we're gonna do your letters first. And your letters, you need to do the inside part first. So we'll work on right here first. You're gonna do inside there with brown because that's the backdrop, right? Right, so this is brown, right? So we're gonna do right here brown, brown, and then we'll fill these in, okay? Let's go and grab it. Okay. It's off, so go ahead and take it. Okay. So remember, where you put the needle is where the yarn is gonna go. Okay, pulse the machine. Okay, turn it on. Good. Now turn the machine. Okay. See that? Good. Good. Stop. Okay, pull it out and go from the bottom. Keep it turned.
Yeah.
Oh, am I messing with you? Sorry.
Yeah, I wanted to just go up.
Well, you got to do an outline. So go ahead. Yeah, just like that. Pressure. Pressure. Turn. Turn. Nice. Okay, not bad. Not bad. Let me help you with that part. Okay. There. Now do your lines up. Good. Remember pressure, okay? Let the machine work up. You put too much pressure. You're doing good. Nice. Okay. Next one. Pull that out. Nice. Okay. All right, so this is as far as he's gotten, and his hands hurt, so we're taking a break. All right, we're gonna work on the letters. So now you need the black, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Gosh, that just kills your arm. Just
Yeah, you get used to it after a while, though.
like it hurts your legs a little bit too because you're like just moving it all over the place.
Mm-hmm. You're right. Okay, so since you're better with just going up and down, just go up and down, okay? Until you get the hang of it. Okay, it's off, so go ahead and grab it for me. There you go. Nice. Yep. Dude, killing it. Go to the next one. See how you got a little bit of space there? Keep that spacing, okay? Yeah. All right, so I went ahead and did the outline for Ryder because curves are hard, huh? Yeah, it takes a little bit of practice, and you're only 9, so now that you got the brown loaded up, you can go ahead and start doing your straight lines all the way across. Just don't fill this in because this is what color?
White.
And what color is this?
White.
Okay, what's this?
Black.
Brown.
Brown.
All right, so it's just white, brown, white, brown. Got it? All right, on you, homie. I'm standing back, just gonna kind of watch. Okay, don't forget, I gotta get a step stool because I'm a lot taller than you. And your yarn's all tangled up between your feet. You want the step stool?
Because I'm gonna have to do that.
All right, here. Okay, a couple things. Don't get your yarn messed up in there. Okay. Where are you gonna start at? Because I'm gonna feed your yarn for you. You wanna start there? Okay, remember keep your machine straight. All right. Great, stop. I gotta tangle your yarn. Hold on. Go. All right, dude. All done. Let's flip it around. You want to see what it looks like? Final reveal. What? Take this off. And boom. Get up there, y'all. We did it. Woo! We did it. Actually, really good, dude. All right. So what do we got to do left? What do we got to do next?
We have to trim it.
We have to glue it, right?
Oh yeah, glue
gotta
it.
glue
Then
it.
we gotta trim it. Then we gotta trim it.
Mm-hmm.
Then we have to shave it.
That's right. Nice job, dude. All right. I think you did great. Leave me a comment if you did pretty well.